viewers, we are in the rainy season and soon I hope rain will start. So Gambia is a very nice country. Here people come and enjoy life too much. Rain will start soon. I am going to beach side. The weather, it's amazing. You can't imagine. Viewers, they were playing football. When the time of prayer came, they started praying. Look at the beauty of the Gambia. This is the beauty of the Gambia, that football and prayer. You see, they don't mix it up. They have finished praying. Now they are going to play football again. Look at water is flowing. I crossed this side. Very nice rainy season. Lovely weather, lovely sun. Look at the beach side, very beautiful. People are not scared.
灯亮了，你以为不到了，可是我还看不清了。那些痛纯真了，难道我就不懂吗？树枝上叶落了，看不到风已来了。你与我像什么？那说不清的纠葛。能决定放手了，错又可不可？藏在心里的事，怎还是折磨？实在不好说，日后再定夺。现在
往与高登地区往移动是自然的，这样高端房
就不懂吗？树枝上叶落了，看不到风已来了。你与我像什么？那说不清的纠葛。